Hi, I'm Geoff Carbonnel, Vice President of Product Strategy here at Oracle.
And I'm Matt Johnson, Senior Director of Supply Chain Planning and Collaboration Product Strategy at Oracle.
We're here today to talk about how CPG companies stay ahead of consumer demand. Companies in the consumer packaged goods industry have many common characteristics, opportunities, and challenges. We recognize, however, that there are clear distinctions between different sectors of this industry. At Oracle, we think of consumer packaged goods companies as falling into roughly three main sectors: agribusiness, food and beverage, and household goods and non-durables. With consumers as the end, consumers of products and services, these sectors share some of common dynamics. Private labels are not new, but they continue to be disruptive, sometimes as head-on competition, but sometimes as new channel opportunities. We're all aware of the Amazon effect here, even if it's only one of many. Consumers today have more information than they've ever had about products, where they can get them, and how much they cost. Serving hyper-connected consumers is no longer a differentiator, it's table stakes. With emerging markets becoming increasingly significant growth opportunities, companies need to localize products and services to suit local tastes and customs. Doing this well can require localizing not just the products, but production and distribution as well. Finally, we've all been impacted by recent supply chain disruptions. In addition to building agility into their operations to navigate these disruptions, consumer packaged goods companies need to contend with challenges regulators, investors, and consumers increasingly care about, such as ethical sourcing, sustainable logistics, and waste reduction. We'll now share a video from Kraft Heinz.
When I think about Kraft, I think about family. My grandmother making me macaroni and cheese. I remember this being the best macaroni and cheese in the world. And now being able to share that same experience with my nieces and nephews, it's touching. And I think it's building those experiences around our brands and our products that I love so much. The customers are at the heart of what we do. Understanding our customers, understanding our channels, and understanding where we play absolutely matters. Some of the challenges is just how disparate all the systems are. How do I help centralize, standardize, and improve the business performance? We never really had one global solution. We needed greater insights. We needed it fast. And when we looked at the tools that we were leveraging, the Oracle Cloud was working so well for us in North America, but we decided, well, let's expand it globally. One of the things we needed to make sure we could check the box on was integrating with SAP. And that's something that was seamless and has been working tremendously well. Now we have a centralized database that enables us to do variance analysis on our actuals versus our budget versus our forecast. For the first time, we had visibility into costs down to the SKU. I think having trusted partners in innovation is extremely important. Advanced customer services is like part of the Kraft Heinz family. They have intimate knowledge of the Oracle suite of applications. Just like our consumers trust us for delivering quality products as we have been doing for over 100 years, we trust Oracle for delivering a product that will work. Food and beverage, that is absolutely the glue that brings family together. Not only do these products taste great, but they're made with a lot of love and they're gonna stand the test of time.
So companies are staying ahead of the competition. Companies that are staying ahead of the competition are shifting their business practices, their policies, organizations, processes, and systems to meet today's market dynamics head on. They're embracing consumer customized innovation in products and services where it makes sense. They're delivering a seamless omni-channel experience to consumers, meeting and exceeding their high expectations. They're localizing products and services while maintaining global visibility and economies of scale and scope. And they're designing their products and services and supply chains for sustainability, visibility to provenance, and efficiency, often with a circular economy in mind. All this requires a modern digital supply chain to execute and coordinate. I'd like to hand it off to Matt to provide some more details.
Thanks, Geoff. Let's look at the ways that Oracle can help CPG companies innovate to stay ahead of the competition. Sustaining profitable innovation takes more than a few bright ideas. It starts with listening. The demand sensing features of Oracle Demand Management tap market, social, econometric, and other data sources to uncover consumer trends and preferences, regional variations, and demand drivers. Meanwhile, the innovation management component of the Oracle Product Management Suite captures consumer needs and identifies product concepts that can be developed into products. Once the product is fully specified, Product Information Management shares its attributes with internal and external stakeholders. Along the way, initial sales estimates for the new product can be refined into detailed forecasts. Forecasting demand for a new product is always difficult. Many companies simply base their estimates on a like item that they can expect will have similar behavior. This only gives an incomplete picture when a new item has differing attributes, is launched at a different time of year, or under different economic conditions. Let's see a demo of a capability that Oracle offers called Planning Advisor, and we'll see it here in action. The unique Planning Advisor in Oracle Demand Management uses machine learning to deliver a more comprehensive new item forecast. Its XG boosting algorithm mines demand data to find the affinities among demand attributes across the category and synthesizes a forecast that takes the most important ones into account. Demand planners can review the predicted accuracy along with the attribute weightings and accept or override the proposed forecast. Now let's turn from the product offering to the opportunity to open new sales channels. CPG leaders continue to enrich their long-standing retail relationships while seeking to develop a more direct relationship with consumers. These can include consumer direct sales channels. However, conventional order-to-cash processes are not designed to handle consumer order volumes, pricing, shipping, and status reporting. And splitting the consumer direct channel into its own siloed system limits visibility and economies of scale. Oracle Order Management offers a true omni-channel order-to-cash solution, which can accommodate both B2B and B2C requirements on a single platform. From a single line e-commerce order shipped to a residential address to 1,000 line EDI orders for a retail store network, you have a unified view and a centralized control of the entire process. A2 Milk is a great example of a company that's adopted Oracle Cloud applications, including Oracle Order Management. Founded in New Zealand in the year 2000, A2 offers milk from cows that produce only the A2 protein type, which studies have shown digests more easily than milk that contains the A1 type. The company had experienced rapid growth across geographies, expanding from New Zealand to Australia, USA, Canada, and China, which is now its largest market. Local business entities relied on a patchwork of customized software to manage their discrete financial, manufacturing, and other back-end processes. The company chose Oracle Cloud Solutions because of their enterprise-grade architecture, quarterly releases of the latest functionality, and standardized processes to support its operations worldwide. Now, its efficient procure-to-pay and order-to-cash process allows A2 Milk to react quickly to changes in the industry. Geoff, could you tell us about the next CPG opportunity?
Absolutely, Matt. Thank you. So emerging markets, or just plain old geographic expansion benefits from global visibility to global operations. In supply chain, thinking globally starts with acting locally. Starting on the right, your connected supply chain is about connecting all the individual operations that make it up. You need visibility into each of your manufacturing operations, which are often a mix of discrete and process manufacturing, what we call mixed mode. You need visibility to what your suppliers are shipping and where it's going. And you need visibility to what products are where globally with all the relevant information tied to them. And you need to tie it all together. At a detail level for traceability, you need to combine data from across manufacturing sites to be able to drive AI and machine learning-based production and asset monitoring. And you need to aggregate supply chain management analytics globally to understand what is going well and what needs attention. Let's talk a little bit about Grupo Bimbo. With more than 200 bakeries on 4 continents, Grupo Bimbo operates in 33 countries and has one of the largest distribution networks in the world. Every day, the company delivers more than 13,000 varieties of products with some 53,000 routes that are equivalent to going around the world 100 times. Grupo Bimbo embraces the idea of global visibility. It's all part of a complex 24/7 operation, much of which will soon be running worldwide on Oracle Fusion Cloud application suite. Grupo Bimbo is in the midst of a multi-year move to standardize business processes and systems across the globe and build a foundation that lets the organization quickly take advantage of new technologies. With Oracle solutions, they're connecting disparate parts of their supply chain to have global visibility and meet local regulatory requirements, and be in a position to provide consumers with the information about Grupo Bimbo's products that they seek. So in the face of shifting demand and consumer requirements, continuously adapting supply chains need to remain efficient and maintain controls on ethical and sustainable sourcing, manufacturing, and distribution. Companies typically manage thousands of suppliers. Supplier risk management tools populated with supplier intelligence are key to efficiently managing ethical sourcing and sustainability objectives and maintaining continuity of supply. To that end, Oracle embeds DataFox supplier intelligence in its procurement products. Efficient management of transportation and trade is a key driver of a sustainable supply chain. In addition, as demand shifts, suppliers change, and manufacturing and distribution locations open and close, Oracle's logistics network modeling helps CPG companies reconfigure product flows to maintain high levels of efficiency and sustainability. By focusing on transportation management and coordinating more effectively with providers, Unilever has been able to contribute to its sustainability goals and reduce CO2 emissions. We've just covered some key elements of challenges and opportunities on how Oracle can help for consumer packaged goods industries. I'd like to hand it back to Matt to tell us about some of the plans we have for the future.
Thanks again, Geoff. So Oracle's commitment to consumer packaged goods customer success continues to grow. Here's some highlights of industry features that build on the opportunities that we've identified today. You'll find continued refinements related to process manufacturing, CPG-specific business practices such as the fill-kill of weekly demand quantities and trade promotion management, as well as greater automation end-to-end to manage the high volumes of customer and consumer-oriented operations. An end-to-end solution to deliver great customer experiences across channels. That's what we strive to deliver when we sell the consumer goods package, sell to consumer goods package. Sorry. That's what we strive to deliver to consumer packaged goods companies. And that means better data, transparency to provenance required by consumers, automated processes that include seamless cross-customer experience, and intelligent insights, sensing consumer behaviors as they evolve. Faster action, end-to-end coordinated response to consumption shift, and always cutting edge, seeking new business practices and new processes to further automate and advance the state of the art.
Thank you for your time today. We hope you enjoyed CloudWorld, whether in person or virtually.
And thank you as well.